Welcome to this deep dive. Today, we're jumping straight into management.
Yep, cutting through the jargon.
Exactly. We've looked at the core stuff to give you a real shortcut to understanding how it all works.
It's about using resources, right? People, money, time.
Mm-hmm. All those things.
Yeah.
And using them well to hit a specific goal. Efficiently, effectively.
That's the key. So, our mission today, break down the basics.
We're going to unpack the 5 sort of fundamental functions of management.
Sounds good. It's like the hidden engine room making things happen.
Okay, let's kick things off. First up, planning. What's the real deal here? It's more than just a to-do list, yeah?
Oh, absolutely. Planning is deciding before you act. What to do, how, when, who does it.
Like thinking ahead.
Exactly. It's the strategy bit, like mapping out the journey before you start driving.
The source material gave a great example, making a study timetable before exams.
Yeah, that's perfect.
It's not just I'll study, it's deciding which subject, when, for how long.
That proactive part, laying it all out, that's planning.
So the why is basically direction and cutting down on surprises.
Precisely. Provides direction, reduces that uncertainty, you're just, well, better prepared.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, function 2, organizing. You've got the plan, now what?
Now you structure things. Organizing is arranging all your resources, the people, the tasks, the information, whatever you need.
So it aligns with the plan.
It's about building the framework so things actually get done smoothly. The operational structure, you could say.
The example used was assigning duties in a school project.
Right.
You figure out who's good at what, give them the right task. It's about coordinating everyone effectively. Smart allocation.
Exactly that. Good organizing means clear roles, good communication, using resources wisely, no stepping on toes, no wasted effort.
Got it. Okay, number 3, staffing. This sounds like HR, but maybe more fundamental.
It is fundamental. Staffing is finding the right people with the right skills and putting them in the right jobs.
So getting the team right from the start.
Yes. It's not just filling slots.
The analogy was a principal picking teachers. You need a science teacher for science class, right?
Obvious but crucial. Matching skills to the role, that's how you get good performance.
So the why here is simple. The right people are essential for success.
Absolutely. It's strategic talent management, really. Finding and keeping the best people for the job.
Okay, 4th function, directing, sometimes called leading.
Yeah, leading or directing. This is the human element in action. It's about guiding and motivating people.
Inspiring them to work well together.
Guiding them towards the goals you set out in the plan. Communication, motivation, support. It's all in there.
The example was a team captain firing up the team during a match.
Yeah, that really captures it.
It's not just orders, it's encouragement. Keeping spirits high, focus sharp.
Exactly. Good directing, good leadership creates that positive energy, gets everyone pulling in the same direction, knowing their part.
All right, last one. Controlling. Sounds a bit restrictive.
Yeah, the name's a bit misleading. It's not about breathing down people's necks.
Okay, so what is it then?
Controlling is checking. Are things going according to plan? It's monitoring progress.
And if they're not?
Then you make corrections. You identify the problems, figure out why, and adjust course. It's about accountability, continuous improvement.
The example was comparing your test marks with your target score.
Right.
You see where you fell short, maybe on certain topics, and then you focus on improving those weak areas.
Exactly. You measure, compare, and adjust. Without that feedback loop, how do you know if you're actually getting closer to your goal?
True. You wouldn't know if changes are needed.
You'd just be hoping for the best. Controlling ensures you stay on track or get back on track.
Okay, so let's recap. Planning, setting the course. Organizing, building the structure. Staffing, getting the right people. Directing, guiding, and motivating. And controlling, checking progress, and adjusting.
That's the framework. 5 core functions working together. It's a cycle, really.
And what's interesting is how universal this is. It's not just for big companies.
Not at all. You use these same ideas, maybe unconsciously, when you're, say, planning a holiday with friends.
Or managing your own budget, or even learning a new skill.
Organizing your time, motivating yourself, checking how you're doing. It applies everywhere.
So understanding these 5 functions gives you a really useful toolkit, doesn't it? For pretty much any goal you have.
Definitely. It provides a structure for thinking about how to get things done effectively.
Okay, final thought then, for you listening.
Think about a goal you're working on right now. Maybe a big one, maybe small.
How are these 5 functions, planning, organizing, staffing, even if it's just you, directing, controlling, showing up?
And ask yourself, Could being a bit more deliberate about applying one or more of these functions actually make you more efficient, more effective? Something to think